Welcome back, everyone. It's Miss Jessie here. Today, we're going to learn how to distinguish the contraction its from the possessive pronoun its. Confusing these two words is a common mistake when writing, but it doesn't have to be. You can understand the difference between them easily if you consider what you already know. For instance, you probably know that a contraction is a shortened form of two words. When we put them together, we drop letters and add an apostrophe in their place. For example, the contraction isn't is really a combined form of the two words is and not. We simply drop the O in not and replace it with an apostrophe. Here are some other common contractions. Don't equals do not. Hasn't equals has not. Could've equals could have. With this in mind, it's easy to tell that the contraction its is the combined form of it and is. Now, let's move on to the trickier its, the form without the apostrophe. Many people aren't sure when to use it, but consider what you already know. Do you write hers, his, theirs, or yours with an apostrophe? Of course not. We know that no pronoun ever uses an apostrophe in its possessive form, and that includes the pronoun it. The only nouns that use an apostrophe to show possession are common nouns and proper nouns. Does everyone understand? Let's look at some examples of the its and its. It's with an apostrophe S, raining out today. Try to replace its with it is, and you'll see that it makes perfect sense. On the other hand, the spider began to weave its web is different. Try to put it is in place of its in that sentence, and you'll see that it doesn't make sense at all. This is because the pronoun it is showing possession in this sentence. The spider possesses the web. Let's quiz ourselves. Darcy loved the car's speed but disliked its color. Tell me when it's time for school. Can you guess which sentence needed the contraction and which needed the possessive pronoun? If you guessed that the first sentence about Darcy needed the possessive pronoun, you're correct. We need its there because we're referring to the car's color. So the second sentence is the one that uses the contraction its. I hope this will help your writing, everybody. See you next time.